I hear it. It's in my chest. I'm feeling some kind of way. I collect the imprints of your love to my heart beating. So love comes smooth and sweet, like I'm dripping from a golden leaf. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of my baby.